Dear student, in the series of Fundamental of Physical Geography class 11th, I am Roshan discussing you the interior of Earth. Moving ahead, today we will discuss about the shadow zone of wave. A student, till the last session we have discussed about the different types of wave. These are primary wave, secondary wave and surface wave. We have also discussed about the characteristics of these waves. Primary wave can travel through the all medium, that is solid, liquid and gas. Surface wave travels along the surface of Earth, and secondary wave can travel only through the solid medium. A student, shadow zone of wave is the region where waves are unable to reach to the Earth's surface. To understand the shadow zone of wave, we are considering Earth as the uniform body having the uniform density. If the Earth has the uniform density, say the wave is originating at any point focus, then it will travel through all along the body will reach to the Earth's surface. But in case of S wave, it has been observed on seismograph that these waves are unable to reach between 105 degree north to 105 degree south. This region between 105 degree north to south is called the shadow zone of S wave. This shows that there are some medium other than solid inside the Earth's surface. Similarly, in case of primary wave, it has been observed that primary waves are unable to reach between 105 degree to 145 degree band. This shows density variation inside the Earth. A student, these formation of shadow zones occur due to the principle of reflection and refraction. Reflection cause wave to rebound, while the refraction cause wave to refract in another direction. After much study and analysis, it has been found that there are the region inside the earth where there are medium other than solid, and it has been also concluded that earth interior can be divided into three major regions. These are crust, mantle and core. Crust are made up of mainly solid. Mantle are upper mantle and lower mantle. Upper mantle are weak solid. These called asthenosphere. Lower mantle is hard solid. Core, upper core and lower core. Upper core is liquid and lower core is hard core. Crust are made up of silica and aluminum. Mantle is made up of silica and manganese. Core are mainly made up of nickel and iron. So student, after discussing all this, we are concluding with the interior of Earth. For the next session, we will discuss about distribution of ocean and continent. Till then, keep studying. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.